The A3500 features 5 program settings for smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. A new programmable timer helps you create consistent recipes. It displays how long your blend has been running, how much time is left on your program setting, or stops the blender automatically when the time you've entered is complete. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. The sleek touchscreen panel easily wipes clean. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A3500 with a 10-year warranty. Part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
It's time to leave work. Arrive home, pour drink, and have dinner. Leave work, home, drink, dinner. Work, home, drink, dinner. Boring. Meet Breville's new 3X Bluicer Pro. Finally, a blender and juicer in one. Blend, juice, or blues. For 3 times the variety, 3 times the flavours, and 3 times the fun. Enjoy pestos, marinades, curry pastes, soups, sorbets, cocktails, and more. Blend, juice, or blues for more variety every day. The 3X Bluicer Pro.